Hi students, good morning all of you. This is Baji sir. Today we are going to learn voice. Voice, there are two types of voice are there, active voice and passive voice. See here, what is meant by active voice and what is meant by passive voice. If subject does something, the form of the verb is said to be in active voice. If something is done to subject, the sentence is said to be passive voice. Now see here, I draw a picture. Here I subject, this is verb, this is object. Here subject does something, I draw a picture. Now passive voice, if you want to write, object will become subject, subject will become object, and verb we have to divide into two forms. This is the function we have to understand. Here a picture. So verb is in present tense. Draw, drew, drawn. Draw, drew, drawn. So here B form we have to take. Draw means present tense. So present B form. A picture after B form is. V3 form we have to take next. Drawn. D-R-A-W-N. So the picture is drawn by I became me object. So here, my dear students, here how many changes we are making? Object became subject, subject became object, object before mono. Here we have to take by, and verb here we have to divide into two parts. One is a helping verb, one is a main verb, that is V3 form. Here subject, here helping verb, V3 preposition. This one object. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Subject, verb, object. Here two extra we added. One is a helping verb and another one is by. That's why here they became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, verb 2. Here picture, a picture 3. So extra we added B form is and by preposition. That's why 3 words became 5 words. So to change active voice into passive voice, first of all we have to follow object of the sentence we have to write as a subject, and verb form we have to divide into two parts. One verb is there, two verbs are there, they will become 3. One is there, B form V3, B form V3, present tense, present B form. A picture singular, a picture is we have to write. Suppose pictures are there, pictures are drawn. I drew some pictures, for example. Then automatically a picture place, suppose if you write some pictures, automatically here see some pictures, here a picture place we have to write some pictures. Some pictures means plural, automatically is became. Some pictures, here see, some pictures, here pictures means plural, or V3 form, always B form after V3 form we have write. Drawn by, here, me. So in this way, a picture means singular is drawn. So suppose some pictures are there, some pictures are drawn by me. So here also by me. A picture means singular is we have to take, some pictures plural are we have to take. Why should we take is or only? Why should not take was were? Here draw means present tense only, means V1 verb only. V1 verb if you take here, is or are we have to take. For example, drew is there. Here draw place drew we wrote. I drew a picture or I drew some pictures. Now drew means which tense? Past tense. Automatically past B forms we have to take. A picture was drawn by me. Some pictures suppose is there. Some pictures were drawn. So here, my dear students, you have to see the verb, whether it is present tense, is, are we have to use. If it is in past tense, was, were we have to use. Was is for singular, were is for plural. Singular means was, yes, is, yes. Plural means were. Present tense means are. Past tense means were. Present tense, singular be form is. Past tense was. So like that here, we have to change subject into object, object into subject. One verb we have to change it into two verbs. One be form, one with three. Singular means singular be form with three. Plural means plural be form with three. Means by seeing this object only we can understand which be form we have to take in passive voice. Passive voice we have to take be form. Now we are going to change other sentence into passive voice. Now my dear students, we are going to change sentence active voice into passive voice when the sentence is continuous tense. For example, see here, he is drinking coffee. This is active voice because subject does something. This is verb form, this is object. According to the rule, object became subject. Coffee, coffee means one, singular. So automatically is only we have to write. Here, continuous tense, if you want to write to passive voice, continuous tense means ing, V1 verb we have to add ing. This is V1 verb. Drink, drank, drunk. V3 form, this is V2 form, this is V1. So V1 form, if you add ing, it will become continuous tense. Present B form, present continuous. So coffee is, ing is there, immediately we have to take being. Immediately this is main verb, this is helping verb. Main verb V3 form we have to take, drunk. By, he will become him. Now see here, he became, by him. Coffee, subject, this is object, this is preposition. Now two verbs are there. Two verbs became three verbs. This is helping verb, this is also helping verb, this is main verb with three. So verb we have to change it into three forms. Two verbs are there. Helping verb, main verb. They became three. One, two, three. Two helping verbs, one are main verb. Now coffee became, object became subject in passive voice. Subject became object. By preposition we have to take. Two verbs are there, one verb. Previously one verb is there, one verb became two verbs. Now past continuous tense we are going to write. Means was drinking. See here, he was drinking coffee. Coffee, simply here also we have to change it into was. Coffee was being drunk by him. For example, subject here, they is there. They are drinking. Suppose they are drawing or bringing, they are bringing fruits. See here, fruits we have right here. Object became subjects. Fruits, fruits means plural, automatically. Here present be form, present be form. So bringing is there, ing being we have right. V3 form, bring, brought, brought. V3 form, bring, brought. V3 form also, brought. So here, bringing will become brought. Now see here, 1, 2, 2 become 1, 2, 3. So ing form is there, being we have take. Present tense is there, present be form we have take. They means plural, here are. Here fruits means plural, are. This sentence separately we have to take. This is a plural verb, plural subject, plural verb, plural subject, plural verb. So present tense, present tense. ing is there, being we have to take. V3 form, brought. So fruits are being brought by him. This is the passive voice. So 1, 2, 3, 4 became, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So passive voice means extra 2 we have to add. One is helping verb and another one is preposition. Now see here. plural. Here past tense we are going to learn. They were bringing fruits. Here automatically, now my dear friends, here they is there, automatically here also we have to change it into them. Now come to the point. They were bringing fruits. This is a past continuous tense. Were means past tense. Already you know, yam, is, or, present B forms, was, were, past B forms. So present B form here is there. Present B form only we have to take. But here were, past tense. Immediately passive voice also. Past B form we have to take. They were bringing fruits. Fruits were being brought by them. So what is there? Here subject plural. Here also plural B form. Past plural B form were. Fruits were being brought. Bringing. Ing form is there, being. So immediately with three form. Passive voice means with three form we have to write. By them. So pronoun is there. Object case separate is there. That one we have to write. Now for example, they are bringing fruits. Already here present tense is there. Automatically here also present tense we have to write. Fruits are being bought by them. For example, subject is he here. She is bringing fruits. Automatically fruits here present tense. Automatically here also same we can keep. Fruits are present tense only. Is present tense. Here she means singular. Is we have read. But here this is separate sentence. Though it is a passive voice of this sentence, this is separate sentence. Subject to verb agreement should be there. Subject is singular, verb should be singular. Subject is plural, verb should be plural. Here present tense is there, so passive voice also helping verb should be in present tense. See here, present B forms only we have to take. Roots are bringing, ing form, being. Immediately with three form we have to write. Automatically she will become her. By her we have to write. For example, she was bringing, past continuous tense. Automatically she was bringing fruits. Now fruits is there. Here this is what? Present tense. Was means past tense. So past means verb we have to take. So fruits were. She was, she singular, was. Fruits plural. That's why verb we have to write. So fruits were being brought by she, by her. For example, we, otherwise Ravi is there. Ravi was bringing fruits. Fruits were being brought by. Here automatically name is there. Name only we have to write. In this way, my dear students, simple present tense, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. So 4 sentences we learn. Now we are going to learn present perfect, past perfect, how to change. Now my dear students, we are going to learn passive voice with perfect tenses. So for simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous we learned. Now present perfect. They have made a car. They have made a car. That means present. Active voice means what? Subject does something. What the subject did? They have made a car. Now this is object, this is verb, this is subject. 1, 2 verbs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 4 will become 6. Now see here. A car. Automatically they will become by them. Here 2 verbs will become 3 verbs. So now see here. A car means what? Here have forms we have to know. Has, have, present tense, had, past tense. So present have form is there. Here also present have form we have write. So present tense have form. This is plural. Has is a singular. Have is a plural. They means how many? More than one. Have we have write. But a car means singular. That's why has we have write. Both should be in present tense only. So a car has. Here the difference we have to understand. They means more than one. Plural have form we have write. Plural subject, plural have form. A car means one. That's why singular have form we have write. Singular have form or singular be form means at the end of the verb yes is there. Keep in your mind. See here, yes. Be forms already I told you. Is, or, past tense, was, were. So present tense means what? Is there, singular. Past tense also singular means what? Was there. Yes is there. So yes is there, that only we have to understand. A car has have form after always we have to write V3. Make, made, made. Verb form what? Make, made, made. See here, V2, V3 same only. Have made, have after all, V3 only we have to take. But here V2, V3 both seem to be same only. That's why we think this is V2. No, this is V3. So have form V3 is there. Been extra we have to take. So a car has been. V3 form means as it is. Here also V3. V3 only passive voice we have to take. That's why this form as it is we can write. By them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra 2. Be form and by preposition. My dear friends, now you see here. Past tense, past perfect tense. Had. Past have form only we have to change. They had made a car. Now see here. A car had past tense. Had only. Had past tense. So singular, plural, same have form only. Because present tense, singular has, plural have. But past tense, for singular subject to plural subject to, same have form only. Plural also had, for singular also, same only. There is no difference. Singular one have form, plural one have form in past tense. In past tense, plural have form, singular have form, same only. That is had. So had been made by them. So this is past perfect. Suppose how present tense. That's why it is present perfect. Immediately we have to take have been made. So present tense, present tense. A car means singular. That's why here has only we have to write. A car has been. Present have form is there. Present perfect. Past have form is there. Past perfect. For example, here he is there. He has automatically. Present perfect we are writing. He has made a kite. A kite. A kite means what? Singular. So here have present singular verb subject, singular verb. Singular subject, here also, this is past tense, present, singular only we have to write. A kite means what? How many? One subject. He means how many? One subject, singular subject. So here has, here has. Why we should not write had here? Here question is, active voice is, have form is in present tense. Passive voice also have form should be in present tense. For example, here it is in past tense. Immediately here also we have to write past tense. So active voice, whatever the helping verb, the tense of the helping verb, we have to repeat in passive voice also. So present perfect, been we have to take in passive voice. A kite has been made by them. A kite has been made by, he is there, automatically here he is there. In this way we have to change. Now here, future perfect also we can write. He will have made a kite. A kite, simply future have form. Here also future have form we have to write. A kite will have been made by them. Simple. He will have made a kite. A kite will have only. So have form with 3 means been only here. A kite will have been made by them. Future have form, here also future have form. Present have form, here also present have form. Past have form, here also past have form. Whether it is present have form, past have form, future have form. Have form after V3 verb only we have to write. Passive voice also V3 only we have to write. But been extra we have to write. Continuous tense is there previously, ing form been we wrote. Now have form V3 is there, been we have to write. In this way, my dear students, simple present, simple past. Simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect we learn. Now simple future we are going to learn. Simple future means it is very simple. Will after V1 verb only we have to write. He will make a kite. See here, a kite will be made by him. Simply see here. Will after V1 if you write, it will become a simple future. He will make a kite. A kite will be. Simple future is there. Future be form we have taken. Will be is a future verb. Be form. Will be made by him. They will make a kite. A kite will be made by them. In this way, my dear students, active voice and passive voice, all tenses easily we can write. Perfect tense, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, no passive voice. In the same way, future continuous also there is no passive voice. So except 4, out of 12 subtenses, 8 tenses we can write passive voice. My dear students, we learned all the passive voices. If you like it, if you understand it, please share it and subscribe it. Have a nice day. Later on, we continue with the next video. Have a nice day.